What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Gerald from Bank of Gerald here with another video update. Today is Saturday, February the 5th, 2022, and we're going to talk about a platform. This is not a hype. This is an opportunity to trade in the Forex market, funding your MT4's account with crypto. And it's very important that we understand that, because that's just what this is. It's a platform in which you get an opportunity to do something that you possibly never have done before. And I know for me personally, I've never had the opportunity to fully understand how to trade in the Forex market. And with this, I don't have to. It is a set it and forget it type of deal, and I'm so excited about what's going on. Of course, we don't fall in love with anything here, especially in the online space. But Intelligence Prime Capital, you're a cutie, and you're doing your thing, and I appreciate what you're doing. Before I get started talking about what just happened here on a payday in Intelligence Prime Capital, I want to remind everyone that I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice, and I am not your financial advisor. I'm just a dude on YouTube that's showing you guys how I'm cranking out that crypto in many different platforms. Nothing more and nothing less. All right, if you like this content, though, go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And if you want to be notified about everything going on here at BOJ, hit the notification bell. All right, let's get into it. I love to share my screen, and we're right in the back office with it with Intelligence Prime Capital, y'all. As y'all can see, I've got a USDT bonus, a USDT wallet balance of $5,290. Guys, that is a combination of two things. That is a combination of my trading from my MT4 trading capital account, which of course I've had over $30,000. And yesterday, you might have seen a video where I had a little bit closer to $35,000, if not $35,000 in there. You might be asking, hey, BOJ, what happened? Your trading capital account decreased. So for those of you that don't know, what Intelligence Prime Capital does at the end of the week before they pay you is they take the profits that you've made throughout the week, only the profits through this week. They take their 20% that we already been talking about. They take their 20, we get 80% because we ain't had to do nothing. The bot does everything. So they take their piece, they give us back our piece. So I know my trading balance was at closer to 35. It was actually over 35. They took, and I don't think I'm looking in the right place right now, but they took their portion. Let me see if I can find where they did that. Not quite. Can't quite. Not in that space. But what they did, they took their portion and they gave me back mine. So here's where I usually look at it. I was trying to find a more pinpoint place. But this does a pretty good job of telling us what happened and what funded this nice big old piece of pie I have in my USDT wallet. As this loads up, that was the first portion. And the second portion of how I've gotten this balance is, of course, the management bonus. As a regional manager, I'm getting paid down 9 levels, you guys. 9 levels. Of course, the biggest portion comes from, the first line. Sorry, took me a while to say that. Trying to search and do all this here. But it goes down different percentages as you continue on down in the chain, in your downline. And it's truly something that as people make money, you're making money. Of course, these aren't all of this is wall of wall. Let me see if I can get it to show all of them. Those are my withdrawals that I've done. I've done 2 withdrawals over $2,000. So this thing is doing its thing. All right, now, wallet in. Okay, here we go. So they've moved that to down here where you have to click this. I guess it was an update they made. They usually have it on the same line, but now you have to click this to see why you got the bonus that you got. So as you can see, I got $3,443, and that is just from management bonus, which is literally the team making money. That's what it is. When they make money, you're making money. All right. Now this 461 is profit from the trading account. So that's, I guess, the last day of profit there. Now, I got back from my trading $1,847. But if I look at my MT4 account, they withdrew 2,000 and let me see if I can pull this up for you guys, and I'll close this so you can actually see it. Y'all see that minus $2,309.04? If you do the math, which I have already done the math, that 1,840 something is 80% of that 2,300. So, and it's like on the dot. So it's doing what it says it's going to do. I was actually scrolling on Facebook the other day in one of the groups, and there was an actual trader in the group, and he said he wanted to confirm that like the trades that they were taking were actual legit trades that could be taken. And he tracked them. And they were legit. And I wish I could pull it up. Maybe next time when I do another video, I'll try to screenshot and pull up what this person said that I read. I'll try to find it for you guys. But those of you that are traders, if you're paying attention to this, if you're going to if you're looking at your MT4 and you're tracking the trades that this bot is making, if you're out there and you have the time, you should do that research. And if you did it, hey, drop it in the comment section. Let some people know, hey, this is doing what it says it's going to do. And that's all we can ask for it to do right now, all right? This global bonus is almost at $500,000. And we've only been in February for 5 days, y'all. 5 days. So I know I'm making my way to managing director. That's going to happen. The thing is, how many of you want to make it to managing director? You know what I'm saying? How many of you want to make it to shareholder director? There are some people out here. There's some young folks out here that are killing it. I'm watching them. JJ Zaps and Rich Off Pips and like Sal Khan. These guys are killing it. It's very motivating. So anyway, I don't want to stay in this too long because we got to get out of here. But that's where I am right now, headed to managing director. I have a feeling I'm gonna hit it this coming week. I have a strong feeling. Something in me is saying that this is the week that people like really pay attention and they see what Intelligence Prime Capital is doing. I think it traded over 7% this week for the week. So anyway, let's get to this withdrawal here because y'all know that's what we're here to do. And last week when we tried to do a withdrawal, there was some issues with OTP codes, and now is when everyone is trying to withdraw. You know what I'm saying? Everyone and their mama that has an account, they're trying to withdraw. So I want to withdraw the biggest amount that I have withdrawn from this platform to date. Right? My trading account is still over 32 grand right now as it sits. I'm cool with that. And I always put in my referral commissions as it goes throughout the week. But my plan was always to start withdrawing, especially because I've already put in enough capital to be at the top of the company. So why not start taking the money that I've earned out, right? That's how you manage risk. You got to take money when you can get it. So we're going to get this code sent. And we'll know it's on the way when we get the countdown. So we got the countdown. Now, as we remember last week when we tried to withdraw, there was some OTP codes like I mentioned. We're going to check in our email right now on my phone. And I got the OTP code already. So obviously that is working phenomenally as it has been all week. I never usually have an issue with Google Authenticator producing codes for me. So I'll go ahead and put that code in. We're going to hit submit. And as you can see at the top, withdrawal successful. Your withdrawal request processed successfully. So we're going to head and refresh this page because this tends to happen when we're on the withdrawal page. It gets kind of stuck in the spinny wheel. But as we go back to the dashboard, you will be able to see that the USDT wallet has been cleared and we still have our MT4 trading balance at $32,981, which is very close to $33,000. And I'm very cool with that as well. All right. There are going to be some people that are continuing to compound and compound, and congratulations. That means you have a place that you want to be in your MT4 trading account. And I do too. I kind of want to see that place where I'm making $1,000 a day. So we'll see what happens throughout the week. But I have a plan in place, and my plan is to make sure whatever I'm getting from referral commissions, I'm rolling into the MT4 trading account. And then every weekend that I have an opportunity to withdraw, I'm going to do that. And guys, I'm telling you, my management bonus gets bigger every week. It grew by $1,000 since last week. I think last week I made $2,400. This week I made $3,400. Next week I might make $4,400. Who knows? I might make even $5,000. I'll be unlocking more levels when I get to the managing director and shareholder directors. And guys, this global bonus, let's not sleep on it. It's at $500,000. You know, people are going to be sharing almost $250,000. This MD pool is getting larger and larger and larger. It's already super crazy big, but this SD pool right here, man, it's starting to fill up. It's starting to fill up, y'all. I see a few people in the United States. They're starting to pile in here. We're starting to make our way. Some people are starting to take this serious. So, hey, you know, part of it is putting your money where your mouth is. A part of it is sharing it, putting your mouth where your goals are. What goals do you have? Sometimes you got to up your game in what you're presenting to people, you know. So it is what it is with over here. I'm comfortable with how I'm presenting because, of course, I'm putting my skin in the game, but I'm able to show success and I'm able to show results. So that's a huge part of it. Of course, everyone make decisions on your own. Do your own research. That is extremely key. But right now, I am like, I'll say this. I'm very pleased with my experience with IPC. All right. With that being said, put your 2FA on all the platforms that will allow you and all your wallets because crypto's the wild, wild west, y'all. If you ain't strapped, you're bound to get hacked. Ask me how I know. It's not very fun at all. If you like this content, hit subscribe. And if you want to be notified about everything going on, hit the notification bell as well. I will see y'all on the next one. We're going to come back a little later in the afternoon. I got some business I got to handle, but we will talk about some more things going on. Peace out, y'all. See you on the